going to show you how math and candy relate to each other. We've compiled the number of calories and price of different candies together. We also had people from our grade take a survey on their favorite candy, but we also found results for college students and adults' favorite candies. Did you know that Sour Patch Kids have 117 calories and are 23 cents per ounce? And in our 8th grade, 12% of students like Sour Patch Kids, but among college students and adults, 9.4% of people like Sour Patch Kids.
You guys want to hear a joke? What kind of candy would a drowning person like? Lifesavers!
Twizzlers have 40 calories, 1 calorie from fat, 2.5% fat, and they're 28 cents per ounce. Twizzlers in our grade, 2% of the grade liked it, and among college students and adults, 5.95% liked it. The average people who like them are 3.90% of people. For Milky Ways have 260 calories, 90 calories from fat, 34.6% fat, and they are 43 cents per ounce. Among our class, 6% of people like Milky Ways, and among college students and adults, 6.74% like Milky Ways. The average amount of people who like Milky Ways is 6.37%.
You guys want to hear another joke? One astronaut asked the other astronaut, "Dude, where's my Mars bar?" And the other astronaut said, "Way up in the Milky Way."
Twix have 80 calories, 36 calories from fat, 45% of it is fat, and they are 50 cents per ounce. Twix, out of our 8th grade class, 10% of the class like Twix. Out of college students and adults, 13.5% of them like Twix. The average number of people who like it are 11.75%. For Hershey's, they have 210 calories, 117 calories from fat, 55.7% of it is fat, and they're 57 cents per ounce. Out of our 8th grade class, 4% of our class like Hershey's, and out of college students and adults, 9.88% liked it. The average percent of people who liked it is 6.94. For Kit Kats, they have 53 calories, 25 calories from fat, 47.2% fat. They are 59 cents per ounce. And from our 8th grade class, 16% of people liked it. And from college students and adults, 15.2% liked it. The average percent of people who like it is 15.6 people.
I have more jokes for you guys. What did the little Hershey want for Christmas? A kitty cat. I have another joke. This will be my last joke. What did the student eat to be smart? Nerds. LOL. We found that Nerds has 60 calories, 0 calories from fat, and the total percentage of fat is 0%. And it is 32 cents per ounce. In our 8th grade class, 4% of people like Nerds, and we cannot find any data on how many college students and adults like Nerds, so there is no average amount. For Snickers, we found that there are 250 calories, 108 calories were from fat, 43.2% of the candy is fat, and it's 69 cents per ounce. Of our 8th grade class, 0% of people like Snickers, and of college students and adults, 18.25% of people like Snickers. For Reese's, there are 210 calories, 117 calories from fat, 55.7% of Reese's are fat, and it's 59 cents per ounce. And 16% of our 8th grade class like Reese's, and 8.4% of college students and adults like Reese's, so the average amount of people who like Reese's are 12.2%. For Pop Rocks, There are 34 calories in Pop Rocks. 0 calories are from fat, and 0%, and there is 0% of fat. And it's $2.65 per ounce. Out of our class, only 2% like Pop Rocks, and out of college students and adults, there was no one that liked it. So, and that's it. No, there's Swedish Fish. So out of Swedish Fish, there's 139 calories, 117 calories from fat, and so there are 84.17% of Swedish Fish are fat, and it's 21 cents per ounce. We found that Swedish Fish has 139 calories, and out of that, 117 calories are from fat. So in total, there are 84.17% of its fat, and it's 21 cents per ounce. In our 8th grade class, 8% of people like Swedish Fish, and we couldn't find any data of people from college or who are adults who like Swedish Fish.
Where did the alien go to get a drink? I don't know. The Mars bar.
LOL.
What did the boys say when they saw the hot tamale?
I don't know.
Hubba bubba.